Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this THO-R HK416D. Obviously this is the classic D shape, obviously with the HK416D stock and D grip there. Obviously the HK416 sights, so it has a slightly different shape than some of the other sort of more custom models. But yeah, obviously a classic one. I like this one. So this has just a level 2 upgrade on it, which is a Psionic THO-R hop rubber. It's got the EagleSix M100 spring and Prometheus gold bar kit, as you can see in there, which just converts the proprietary connectors over so that we can just add in a battery just like that. And obviously you just connect that on, and then you just put the excess wire down there, and that's it really. So you tuck all that in, and then you just put the cap over the top, and away you go. So I'm just going to demonstrate it with it hanging out. So we've got so that's pretty much everything. So we're 265 on 3.2s. Obviously 3.2s is the weight of ammo that we would recommend, but you can use lighter if you want to. And I'm just going to fill this mag up. As you can see there, it's functioning absolutely fine on single shots, and on that 1300 7.4 it's just operating great. And like I say, it's a mechanical trigger assembly on the standard ones. They haven't had all the customization done, so just make sure that you pull the trigger all the way to the rear before trying to then pull it again for the next cycle. On the EG1000 there, you know, obviously you know, no other upgrades other than just a spring. 7.4, it's obviously quite motoring, you know, on that 1000, so it's quite a high rate of fire, you know, for not bolstering other things like gears and stuff like that. But obviously most aren't going to complain at getting some extra rate of fire. There you go. So it's all tested. Obviously I'll put the build specification in the description of the video. Hopefully everything's all right and as per your what you've asked for, and we look forward to getting this to you and having you enjoy it. So thank you very much.